Citizen-centric Tele-law mobile app's advocate version has been developed especially for you by the Department of Justice, Government of India. With this mobile app, you can provide legal help and the aids, that is, pre-litigation support to the citizens' disputed matters. To use this app, please download Tele-law app from Android Play Store. This mobile app is available in all the official languages of India. You select your language. Now you can log in by using your credentials. If you have forgotten your password, please enter your mobile number and reset your password after verification through OTP. As soon as you log in, you will see your dashboard showing the list of cases. You can find the options to set your date-wise availability. Here you will see 3 small lines on the top left side of the app. By clicking on it, you can access your dashboard like View Status, Availability, Case History, Your Profile, Information, and Change the Password option. You can also access these features like Share this app, change the language, and sign out from the app. Under the Set Availability menu, you can set your availability for each and every day of the month along with the timing slot for the whole day and the whole week. You can edit your profile by clicking on the Profile section. In the availability list, you can see the link highlighting the day and time chosen by the applicant. You will be able to provide legal advice and assistance regarding their case by video calling on that fixed day and time. You can get all kinds of updated information related to the registered case, including notification regarding the appointment of the applicant. So download today the Tele-law Citizen mobile app of Department of Justice, Government of India in collaboration with CSC. Empower the citizens of the country by giving them legal advice and assistance. Thank you.